honor.
My name is Cameron Malcolm, and I'm happy to introduce our guest speaker, Ms. Julia Hawkins. Ms. Julia Hawkins is the second oldest of 7 children. She was homeschooled from grades 4 through 12. During her junior year of high school, Ms. Hawkins began her higher education journey as a concurrent enrollment student at Prince George's Community College. While attending PGCC, Ms. Hawkins worked as a student assistant in the Advisory Center for 2 years, where she supported fellow students in navigating their academic paths. In 2020, Ms. Hawkins earned an associate's degree in general studies and transferred the same year to Louis State University. In 2022, Ms. Hawkins obtained her bachelor's degree in child and adolescent studies. She furthered her education by earning a master's degree in elementary education from the University of Phoenix, which she completed in 2025. Ms. Hawkins has dedicated 3 years to teaching as a second grade teacher, where she enjoys making a significant impact on her students' early educational experiences. Additionally, she has been actively involved in mission work within communities in Maryland and has traveled to the Dominican Republic each summer for 3 years to support mission work. Outside of her professional life, Ms. Hawkins enjoys spending her summers at the beach, immersing herself in books, and supporting Black-owned businesses. Ms. Hawkins is inspired by the quote, "The best way to predict the future is to create it." Without further ado, please join me in welcoming Ms. Julia Hawkins.